from KBRWS. We are doing our project under Fixed Bharat Build Authority.
Hello, I am Abhinav. Nowadays, we see that women's safety has become a major concern in our society due to the increasing numbers of harassment, kidnapping cases, etc. Women feel unsafe when traveling alone, especially at night or in remote locations. So, our project has decided to make a smart women safety device that can detect danger and also automatically alert the guardians or the parents through wireless communication.
Together with my teammates, we will be presenting our project under Atmanirbhar Bharat under the theme Women and Child Development.
Women have rights to freedom and live normally as they wish. Lot of women live with fear that something bad might happen to them.
Women face a lot of problems in the sense of their safety. A lot of things cause insecurity for women like stalking, kidnapping, molesting, human trafficking, and sexual abuse.
So we came with an idea to solve this problem. In this project, we are using a CFD sensor which detects the electrical signal from the muzzle.
Green was in front of me.
So we came up with an idea to solve this problem. So in this project, we are using SCMG sensor. So this detects the electrical signals from the user's muzzle in the rest or the relaxed.
Next is the pulse sensor. So the pulse sensor detects the pulse of the person who is wearing it. Then is the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module connects to the phone and sends the data collected by the SEMG sensor and the pulse sensor.
All these are connected to the Arduino. This collects the information from the EMG sensor and the pulse sensor and tells the Bluetooth module to send to the phone. The Arduino Uno works as the brain of the project.
The phone is connected to a cloud server because the Arduino Uno cannot process data simultaneously. So the phone will send the data sent by the Arduino Uno to the Bluetooth module to the cloud server so that the cloud server can process it.
If the value in the data exceeds the certain limit, the cloud will send the information to the phone that the value of the data is exceeding and in the given data, so it will send it to the police.
In the future development, we will make it even smaller by using ESP32S3, which has inbuilt Wi-Fi and can process multiple information at the same time so that it is easy.
And we will be also using MPU6050 because it is a motion sensor and it can sense if the victim is fallen, running or struggling, etc. So these are the values of electricity. So these are the values of the pulse sensor and EMG sensor in here. So we have connected it to the cloud server. The cloud server will further then process the data given by the phone and then it will send back the data if the values are high. Now we cannot make a panic attack.
So through this project, we aim that to improve the women's safety and use a sensor and smart technology that detects the danger and alerts the police. So thank you.